Saturday, welcome back to my channel. I am in such a good mood today. Oh my goodness, I honestly got called into work and I contemplated it for like half an hour and then I was like, you know what, no, I deserve a day off to relax. And this is the lesson of today's vlog and I want you guys to hear it because I wish someone would have told me this more. It's okay to say no and you don't need to feel guilty for it. It took me a very long time to come to terms with that, but I don't feel guilty for it anymore. I deserve a day off and that's that. So I'm so excited to tell you guys where we're going, and some of you aren't gonna get it. That's okay. I'm going to Whole Foods. Let me tell you, okay, I'm gonna take you guys on an adventure this morning. I love Whole Foods. I know it's overpriced, but like it's always been my thing, okay? I'm closer to the city. It's so nice because it's only 15 minutes away, but it would be like my mom and I's thing. We would drive like the 40 minutes on like a Sunday and we would go to Whole Foods. Like it was just our thing every once in a while. I haven't been in a while, like oh my god, honestly since way before quarantine, like probably the fall, just because it was so out of the way for me. But I figured it was a nice Saturday. I'm waiting for it to warm up a little bit and we're gonna go to Whole Foods. I tried to get Matt to go last week and he was not about the idea, which is fine. Anyone else's boyfriend like that, like Matt's just like, babe, let's go do our groceries at Walmart and that is it. And I'm like, that ain't it though, you know? So it's so cute though, because I was like, babe, we should go on a date to Whole Foods, and he was like, why? And I was like, cause it's fun. But men don't understand the idea of going to like an organic grocery store and thinking that's fun, which is okay. So I'm gonna go this morning. I'm gonna have like a little self-care day and I'm really excited about it. Matt's working night, so I wanted to get out of the house anyways and let him sleep. My Apple Watch is supposed to be here today, but this morning, yesterday at 4 a.m. it said it was in Ottawa, and then at noon it said it was in Houston. So I don't know if it's actually coming today, but I'm in such a good mood. I will have to do some emails for work and stuff later, but I'm totally okay with that. And yeah, so I'm really excited. Main reason I'm going to Whole Foods is to get cold brew, because like every grocery store in the area has been sold out of the Starbucks cold brew, and I know for a fact that Whole Foods has different cold brew. So I haven't been in a while, so I'm hoping they have good stuff. I'm ideally looking to get a few things in specific. I'm not gonna get any like fruit or anything there, like that's something you can just get at Walmart, but I do like to go for like, you know, whole foodie things, like organic things. Maybe get some flowers if they have some. I don't know, I just want to have such a fun Saturday, and I feel like I take you guys through a lot of like days of me working, but I want to take you guys through a day of like me off and just like having fun. So I have to film tonight, so it'll be a filming night. Love my life. I'm also doing my grad photos tomorrow, which is why I'm so excited, because they finally opened up like photography again, and I'm so thrilled, and I'll be vlogging that tomorrow. But let's go to Whole Foods. I'm so excited. Hi guys, okay, so I just got out of Whole Foods. I figured I'd do a quick haul in the car because once again Matt's sleeping in the house and I don't want to wake him up. But I got some goodies. I spent around $60, which is okay. It's kind of like a treat myself thing. I actually think I got a decent amount of stuff. You just obviously pay more for organic stuff, but I'll show you guys what I got. I'm so excited. The first thing I wanted to get was flowers. My mom wanted to get flowers for myself. I never think to get flowers for the house, and these were on sale for like $5, and they're just so pretty and springy. So I got some flowers and I'm excited to put them up in the house. This is actually my all-time favorite cold brew, the Califia one. So I got that I'm super excited about. Got some tortilla chips, which were actually pretty cheap. And then Matt and I were running out of yogurt, so they were on sale, so I picked up a plain one. And then Matt likes vanilla yogurt, so I got him that. Exactly what I went for, which was just some kind of healthier breakfast sausage that wasn't pork, so I got these turkey ones. And I'm really excited about these. The macros are actually pretty good on them, so I'm really excited about those. I'll make those for breakfast maybe this week. I got my favorite bread. I'm pretty sure you can get this at Costco, but it is my favorite bread because there's 7 grams of protein per slice, and I just love it so much. So I picked up a thing of that. I needed dish soap, so I just got this one, which is a clean version, and it's in like the mandarin flavor. And I don't know, I just find the packaging really aesthetically pleasing. What else did I get? Got this dip to try, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I can't really handle dairy well, so I just love Whole Foods for their like dairy-free selection. Free dip, and I thought that'd be really yummy with the chips this afternoon. Clearance, so I just got some of these because they're really good to bring to work when I need like a boost. Just got the maple almond butter one, and then the hazelnut chocolate butter one. What else? I got this to have right now to try. I love Two Bears. I ordered it once before. So good, and I didn't realize they had it. So it's just a frothed latte with oat milk, so I'm gonna have that in the car. I mean, it's a little high cal for a coffee, but it's okay. It's a treat yourself moment. And then one of these shots, because it was on sale for $1.99. I figured with everything going on, I could probably use a booster. So maybe I'll take that tomorrow morning. Ginger pear lemon. So cute. And then I just got some cheeses because Matt and I have been all about the cheese lately. I got to this dill Havarti. I actually love these because they're not too expensive. This was like $3 and it's actually cheaper than Walmart. So I got this dill Havarti, and then I also just got a smoked one because we love it and we love this brand. So that's my little Whole Foods haul. Hope you enjoyed. I'm home now because I have a call at 12. So much for having a day off, but that's okay. It's probably not gonna last too long, and after that I'm hoping to get a workout in. I don't think my Apple Watch is coming today, sadly, but I'm gonna get a workout in and just have like a nice evening and afternoon. I probably won't vlog too much this afternoon just because Matt will be awake and I just like to spend a few hours with him. Probably do a workout. I was gonna maybe go to the park and do like a HIIT workout. I thought that could be kind of fun because it's not too hot today, but we'll see. So I'm going to have my little latte, listen to some tunes with the windows down, and drive home before I have to be on this call at noon. Guys, okay, so it's a while later, 6:30. Matt just left for work. Oh, I feel so crappy. Anyways, Matt and I ended up going for a really nice bike ride today. I think we biked probably around 22 kilometers or something. So nice, like it just tired both of us out, especially on like a hot day like this. You know how like being in the sun is like just a different kind of tired. So we came home and made lunch, and then I took a nap. I just woke up and I just feel so crappy. I've had a ton of water today though, so I'm definitely not dehydrated. I think I'm just not used to being out in the sun, obviously, because summer's just started. But I did get my Apple Watch. I'm so excited about it. I didn't film an unboxing just because I've already had an Apple Watch. Like, I don't know, I just didn't think I needed to do that. But yeah, she's here and she's so cute. I came home from the grocery store and it was like on my doorstep, and I was like, what's this box? And I opened it and I totally wasn't expecting it to be my watch, and it was. So I was really excited about that. I don't remember if I addressed this or not. I didn't, but I decided to get rid of my Garmin just because I didn't like the way it fit me. It was really accurate for tracking stuff, like don't get me wrong, like I didn't get rid of it because it wasn't accurate. It just, I don't know, it just didn't really fit me right. Like I always found that it kind of like was a bit off. It was always too big or too tight. Like I can never find a good in between. And I think I'm allergic to the band. I don't know if it's latex or what, but every time I would like run or work out or bike, it would get super red and like I'd get blisters. So I think it just wasn't for me. And then Matt the other day was like, why don't you just get an Apple Watch again? Like you love your Apple Watch. So I got one and I love it. I just got the Series 3 38mm again, and I ordered some bands off of Amazon for work and stuff, but I don't know, I just like it. I also just found the Garmin, pretty like chunky, which doesn't bother some people, but like I don't know, I just didn't love how like chunky it was. So yeah, but I'm supposed to film, but I'm honestly so tired, you guys. I don't know what it is, but I'm just so out of it. Like I slept fine last night, but I'm just so tired. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I'm drinking, I wasn't gonna have a coffee, but I'm having a Diet Coke, so I'm hoping I'm gonna make Coke Zero, so maybe that wakes me up. But like the only reason I woke up is because Matt left for work and like said bye to me. But yeah, that's my little update. I'll let you guys know if I just like feel so unproductive and unmotivated, honestly. Like I just want to go back to bed. So this is real life. I'm not always motivated, you guys, but yeah, so I don't know. I'm hoping to wake up a little bit more because I really want to film. a video, like a sit down video, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, that's my update. I'm so out of it. Maybe I just need to wake up a little bit more. Hi guys, happy to report that my freezy brought me back to life. I can't decide. I think I'm gonna film my sit down video, but just film it on the couch, like super casual. I just sold my Garmin, which is exciting. Yeah, I feel a lot better. So maybe I just need to wake up, but let's film a video. I need to go take a shower so bad, but I want to make some homemade peanut butter cups first, and I figured I'd show you guys how, because it's so easy. But you just use any tin that you guys have. This one's from Amazon. I just like the silicone ones, they're easier. And then you need peanut butter. You can mix it in with icing sugar, that's what the recipe says, but it works just fine without it, and I don't do that because we don't need the added sugar. And then you can use any chocolate you like. I just like to use this Lily's creamy milk chocolate style. It's a stevia sweetened chocolate bar, and I really like it. You can also get chocolate chip versions, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using. So you basically just melt that in the microwave and then melt that a bit in the microwave, and then I'll show you guys kind of how you do it. And apparently if you use stevia chocolate, it burns in like 30 seconds. So we're just gonna have to make this with normal chocolate chips. This is literally such a fail. A $6 chocolate bar just totally went to waste. I make mine pretty big, obviously, because this is a muffin tin, but a cup of chocolate chips and like a tablespoon of peanut butter makes about 2 of these like bigger ones. And then I just put them in the freezer for a little bit and let them dry. Guys, so I just got out of the shower, obviously. I just put my hair back in a little bun, got a glass of wine, and I just changed into a comfy outfit. This is just like an airy oversized sweater with some Lulu shorts. I'm actually gonna go outside and do a quick little 10-minute stretch yoga. I thought that would be a really nice self-care thing to do to end the night off, especially since today was just like so much. So we're gonna go outside and do that.